branching strategy. An interviewer may ask you, can you mention Git branching strategies you know? It's really nothing. So we have Git branching strategy. It's a concept of helping and managing development, testing, and release process effectively. It also defines the different branching strategies, you see. So we have main branch or master branch. We will all discuss that in a minute. All these things are happening in GitHub. We have develop branch. Now, this is a very important concept. So whatever you push here is you from here merge to here. Here is the one you push to staging environment and production environment. This main and master branch. So you might ask, what is production environment? Production environment is this on the server where the end users see the products, where the products are being displayed. If you want to go to any website to buy clothes, let's say perfume, to buy clothes or perfumes, that site you have is, remember I said, is on a server, right? So that server is production environment where all the feature branches have been done from different developers. All the different developers push their feature branches into this develop branch. So once every single person have pushed, because in your feature branch, remember, you have tested it on develop branch or on testing branch, and it's working as expected. Then when it's working, you do a pull request. Others have seen. Once others have seen that it's okay, they mark it as okay. And I will show you guys, don't worry. I don't believe in theory, but I'm just trying to explain to you so that you'll understand it. So once, let's say we are 10 of us working in a product or in a new feature, each and every one of us will work on feature branches. And once each and every one of us finishes, test it on the development branch or testing branch, then you do a pull request. Once you finish with pull request, what is a pull request? A pull request is requesting for other team members to review your work. And if they're happy with it, they will say, okay. They will approve it. If they don't approve it, write a comment. You go back again to your local machine and on your feature branch, do the correction, push again, do pull request. They will see it again. This is what you guys will be doing until they're okay, and then you will approve it until they approve it. All of them. Maybe if you have 3 approvers, if you start, sometimes you chase them anyways to approve your request, and once all of them approved it, you can now merge it to this develop branch. So let's say 10 of us are working as team members and 10 of us have also pushed our feature branches to develop branch. From this develop branch, you also test in a staging environment. A staging is another server, remember? That is pre-production. Some people, the most common name is staging environment. That is not for end users. So that is the same thing. Any code pushed to staging environment is the same code that will be pushed to production environment. But the difference is if there's any bug, remember, from feature branches, everybody's working on feature branch and each person is expected to push to develop. And develop is where you will check that's the integration. Everybody has pushed to develop, which is called integration. They have integrated those feature branches as one. So when you test from develop branch in production and staging environment, not production, pre-production or staging environment, if it is working as expected, then you will push from develop branch to main or master branch. That's the same. Some you see some say main, most of the time about 80% call it main, some call it master branch. When you push to master branch, that's your final branch in another server, which is from this branch in your GitHub, you will now cut a release. I've shown you guys those tag numbers, version number. From old one, you give a new name. From that new name, you now push with CI/CD pipeline. You now push that source code, that new feature that has been developed and tested. You now push it to that production environment, and in that server, which is the production environment, is where the end users, as you're pushing, end users are seeing what is the new feature. That's why you can see bank app sometimes when you open it, there are new features that have been added. These are the things we are all doing. These are the things I'm explaining. So take note, the most important branches are main branch, develop branch, and feature branch. This is under branching strategy, and it's a very important, it's always an interview question, and it's something that you do every single day when you get employment.